What's up, guys? We're back here at the third Saturday Sawmill game, and we're actually headed towards the part of the field called the Sawmill, and it seems like whoever controls the Sawmill has the upper hand when it comes to controlling the rest of the field, and so we're going to try and see if we can take over the Sawmill.
Yep, LMG. Yeah, I'm gonna hold them back. They're weak on the right side, you guys should push. At that big trash pile, you got two. I'll cover you. You ready? You ready? Tell me when you're going. Any 10 members, we could use help at the top of the hill. Huh? They're all up there, yeah. If you want to push, I can cover. No, I'm good. One down. Hey, 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 behind us, behind us. They're coming from the woods. Yeah. His head's down if you want to move. Alright, he moved. Noah. Where are you getting hit from?
guys on the right side, creep along, that will cover you.
He's hit, he's hit, he's hit.
One more on the left.
I can range him if you want to push. He's behind the corner. Hey, let's move up. Okay, when do you want to go? Hey Seth, do you need a medic? Okay. Yeah. Hey, Aaron. Left side of the building, he's at the corner. Watch that building. There's one right here. You got a mic, man? You're dirty. You dirty dog. My left. To the left, to the left. Alright, ready? He's on the right, he's on the right, he's on the right. Ready, move up. Ready? Hey, can I get one of you guys to flip this flag? I'm hit. Nice shot.
So we get hit here. There's a couple guys concealed really well in the woods that we missed. So we're down until a medic can get to us. Fortunately for us, a couple of our teammates aren't far behind us. And once they clear out the woods, they'll come over and medic us. But in the meantime, the rest of our 127 team, among other 10 members, have cleared the top of the sawmill. And so we now have control of this part of the field, which gives us a really good vantage point of the rest of the field. As always, make sure you're checking out the Sawmill Facebook page and website. They do a great job with their events. It's a ton of fun, lots of great players. You're sure to enjoy it. Thanks, guys.
Right here. Both of us.
You've been shot.
I haven't been. Yeah,
so we can do yours first. Where's your bandit? Do you have one?
He has one.
Oh, he already has.
Thank you, sir. Tides have changed, huh?
What's that?
So the tides have changed.
Yeah,
Amazing thing happens when you get through the push.
Yeah, once we finally got a few extra people, we were undermanned.
Yeah.
Then we had two little outs. There you go, sir.
Go ahead. Sawmill. We're at point 3, top of the sawmill. Say again?